delighted and honored to welcome you all in this opening ceremony for the 6th Regional Faculty Development Workshop.
To discuss, exchange their experience, ideas, and good practice. العين University has always been committed to its social responsibility role through enhancing the quality of its pharmacy graduates.
Very final remarks at the end of the workshop. I will be thanking more specifically others who have been involved with the organization of the workshop.
So allowing our interns from different professions to attend those sessions allows them to see how we collaborate for better patient outcomes, which is our goal.